Right, everyone, where are we again? We're at Brickworld for rollercoaster road trip. This is only a short video here at Brickworld. Hot dogs. Really hate hot dogs. I hate hot dogs. Manager. But really need to buy roblox. I'm actually got a first person thing. Really. There's a new show coming soon. It's been the King of the Dinosaurs. Jake, say hi. Hi. King of the Dinosaurs, yeah. This is a new area. But let me move, go on there. It's cool. This is that's like the 14th Park country. You live in the UK, if you've been to 14th Park, it looks like the sound. Then we're just gonna go on the new ride today on the rollercoaster road trip, and tomorrow later on. Tomorrow's Saturday, but there just will be an Alton Towers one because Reach is opening tomorrow. Woo! That looks cool. Wow. There's so many times. Like, OMG, something going on? Some moves here. Oh yeah, Halloween's coming. I'm excited to see that. Then there was a big update. So I wanted to go, and today I'm joined by Jake. Say hello. Hello. It's him, Jake. It's one of my brothers. Yeah, we are. We're back. I played this game a couple of days ago, but I forgot to record on Roblox. But I'm trying to do this again. It works again, but excuse me. Yeah, I missed it just right. Now there's a new sky ride, but we won't go in there. I'll be doing a video of that very soon. Let's exit and go to the border. Yeah, but I'll be doing this video POV the swing ride on Roblox before they're like there's going to be Aladdin area. Aladdin. Right, Aladdin was supposed to come, but it's cancelled. Really, you didn't lie to me. 5-minute Panton escape. I never did these videos of these before. Thank you, Mr. Monkey and Rebecca's Creations TV, for recording that. I'm actually just in a kitchen chair because I create bad ones. Let's go. Panton escape. Right, let's start the ride. Enjoy the ride. Guess what? That's why I'm on. Thank you. Here goes the launch. Enjoy the POV. Woo! It was an RMC roller coaster. Then he wanted to make it a kids park. Swing is going to end, but we're not going out today. Roller coaster road trip episode 2 tomorrow at Movie Park. But tomorrow's Alton Towers Roblox for the new retail, which comes out very late, very super late tomorrow night. Right? Yeah, it's gonna be super late. Right after when it closes. Yeah, after it closes, I will be uploading. It will be just a short video, and then I'll upload it. Moving on to the last rock. Let's go on the upright. Let's go on the train roller coaster. And there's that that was where the dragon coaster was in the zip line's open. We'll go on that and go on the suit. And what did just happen to the Horting House? If you look right there, they're redone the queue really, and the Mana challenge. Really, look at this! Holy moly, what's happened? Oh, really? That's silly. I'm not joking. Holy moly, what's that? That's silly. Okay, I did it. Okay, regen. Okay. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Eat. We'll be in this. Yeah, subscribe to Jack and Sean Riley's Gaming World. I'll be linking to these channels. I will link to these channels for this video. Actually, Riley's away on holiday. I'll just link for Riley's Gaming World if you want to subscribe. He's away on holiday in Greece. He's going home tomorrow, but yeah. We'll go on the next one ride, which is the drop tower. I never ever end the drop tower ride because my laptop was going to run out of batteries and I had to do my employee of the week. And there will be no employee friend of there. I changed it to friend of the week. So I'll be doing my friend of the week this week. What's just happening? Okay, we're back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Where even is the fast pass? Where even is the fast pass? Yes. Susie Bar has been a Legoland and okay. Let's try that again. Yay, we're on. Sweet. Alright guys, that will be our final ride of the day. And I'll pick my friend of the week. But wait a minute. There's some more construction I'll see when I get stop it when I get something new. Ties up again. So I don't really like to fight the first time because I have my god, it makes these just please. There is a no! Okay, doesn't matter guys. Let's look on these new construction boards. This is bye water, this sound of thing. Okay. The new dragon, yeah, that would be a new dragon coaster. That doesn't matter. Yeah, it's just any dogs. There's no fast pass, really. If the clock tower was there, then it moved, which is straight inside. We're going on that final ride of the day. Collective ride. Come on. Okay. Doing right, guys. Actually, I'm now R50. Back in May, I decided to be R50. That's what I like to. But the fact that it's a new one, that's when in Jaguars were repeating this one. Really. Oh yeah, there's the fireworks. We will be. It's getting late. It's like, I'm calling this late. I will turn off because it's 7 p.m, which is just sad. Yeah. I will be linking to Lee's channel. It's called Lee White. Yeah, I'll put links to their channels. Yeah, we're almost done and we'll put our friend of the week. Yeah, we're done. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and afterwards. So new to hit a notification bell so you never miss a video. And there's an in the prize, which is same to it. And Oliver just joined. Yay! Hello, Oliver. He's in reception. I played him on the field. He's cool. Here he is. Hello, Oliver. I've just ended the vlog. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll link to Niche channel if you want to. And subscribe and like the channel. Bye. And he's our friend of the week. And the friend of the week this week is Dr. Llama for making being cool and being nice on Roblox. Okay, everyone. everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification button to never miss a video. And guys, thank you for watching. Hit the notification button to never miss a video. Bye bye bye.